Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Rajiv with ID number 2023-32168. I am from Information System in C class. Okay, in this video, I will explain the program I made about calculating the area of a rectangle. First, to calculate the area or luas, multiply the panjang by lebar. This can be done using the star operator. First, we will make the two variables panjang equals 20, lebar equals 10. To calculate the area or luas, multiply the panjang by lebar. This can be done using the star operator. Luas equals panjang times lebar variable Okay, then we will make sum the output. Print bracket. This function is used to output text and variable to the screen. Panjang. This is a string text that will be printed exactly as it appears. It helps describe the output. Panjang. This is variable representing the length of the rectangle. Its value is inserted after the string panjang. Meter. This is another string that is printed to specify the unit of the measurement. In line 2, lebar is another string used to describe the width in the output. Lebar. This is a variable representing the width of the rectangle. Its value is printed after lebar. Meter is specified the unit of measurement for the width printed after the variable lebar. In line 3, luas equals a string that describes the area in the output. Luas. This variable contains the calculated area of the rectangle panjang star lebar. Its value is printed after luas equals meter persegi. This string is printed to describe the unit of measurement for the area, which is square meter. And running. Okay, this is I will explain the output. Panjang. This part of the output is a string that was printed exactly as written in the code. It tells you that the next value will be the length of the rectangle. 20. This is the value of the variable panjang, which has been set to 20. It represents the length of the rectangle in meter. Meter. This unit of the measurement is printed after the value to specify that the length is in meter. In line 2, lebar is like in the first line. The string is printed exactly as it appears in the code. It tells you that the next value will be the width of the rectangle. 10. This is the value of the variable panjang, which has been set to 10. This is the value of the variable lebar, which was set to 10. It represents the width of the rectangle in meter. Meter. Again, this unit is printed to indicate that the width is measured in meter. In line 3, luas. This is part of the output indicates that the following value will be the area of the rectangle. 200. This is the value of the variable luas, which is the result of multiplying panjang by lebar. 20 times 10 equals 200. It represents the area of the rectangle. Meter persegi, this unit indicates that the area is measured in square meter. Okay, then I will explain you about my second program. In line 1, input bracket, this function is used to prompt the user to enter data from the keyboard. Masukkan kode barang. This is the text that will be displayed asking the user to input the item code. Kode barang, this variable stores the input provided by the user as the item code in the form of a string. In line 2, input, this function prompts the user to input the name of the item. Nama barang, the text displayed on the screen asking the user to input the item name. Nama barang, this variable stores the user's input for the item name, a string. In line 3, input, this function prompt the user to input the price of the item. Harga barang, this text is shown to the user asking them to input the price. Float, this convert the user input from a string to a floating point number or decimal. Harga barang, this variable stores the item's price entered by the user. Number 4. Harga awal, this variable stores the same value as harga barang, effectively keeping a record of the original price. In line 5, discount 5T. This variable calculates 5T% of the initial price. Number 6, discount plus 20. This variable calculates an additional 20% discount on the amount already discounted by 5T%. In line 7, total pembayaran, this variable calculates the total payments after applying both discount. In line 9, print bracket, this function output text to the screen. Kode barang, this is a string that will be printed exactly as it is, followed by the value of kode barang entered by the user. In line 10, print bracket, display the original price of the item. Followed by the value of the nama barang. In line 11, print bracket, display the original price of the item with the text harga awal barang, followed by the value of harga barang variable. In line 12, print bracket, display the amount of the 5T% discount with the text discount 50%, followed by the value of discount 5T. Inline certain. Print bracket display the additional 20% discount amount with the text discount plus 20%. Inline 14. Print display the total amount to be paid with the text total pembayaran followed by calculate value of the total pembayaran which include both discount